What if the moon were 10 times bigger? Our Earth and the moon are a part of a mini system that works together. If the moon were suddenly 10 times bigger than it is now, there would probably be a bunch of apocalyptic things that would happen. Could it devastate our planet? Let's find out. At its farthest point in orbit, the Earth's moon is 252,088 miles or 405,696 kilometers away from the Earth. At its closest point, or what is called perigee, the moon comes as close as 225,623 miles or 363,104 kilometers. The moon is 27% the size of the Earth. So if our moon was 10 times bigger, the Earth would become the moon's moon. This would also put the moon 10 times closer to us, about 40,000 kilometers away. The moon would look so much bigger and brighter, and looking up, it would take up the majority of our sky. Gravitational force of the moon affects the water on our planet. The waves you see on the beaches are created by tidal bulges as the moon actually stretches the Earth as it orbits the planet. So, if it were 10 times bigger, the waves on the planet would be 10 times the size at high tide. Global floods would be massive as the giant waves swept around the world, possibly wiping clean everything in its path every 2 to 3 hours. It would destroy all seaports, and ocean life would also be affected by these giant waves. The moon would have a gravitational force 200 times stronger than it does now. Full moon can trigger big earthquakes, even now at its current distance. In fact, the moon's gravity has been linked to big earthquakes. Imagine the earthquakes the Earth would have, the volcanoes that would become active because of the increased tectonic plate activity. All of this stuff sounds really scary, but you don't need to worry. In fact, it's been orbiting us and moving away from us at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year ever since its creation. We think you will look at the moon in a whole different way. Tell us what you think would happen. Do you want to add anything? Let us know in the comments.